Just made it to Bandung, and we're about to go to our Airbnb. But we had a fantastic train ride in this train right here, and now we are on the way to our next adventure. Whoa.
It's time for a nice swim. Tomorrow we go off-roading.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are going
Off-roading.
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 It's gonna be super fun. Into the jungle we go.
Land Rover unit.
Oh, amazing.
We made it. We are somewhere deep in the mountains outside of Bandung, and we are going to go four-buying in this thing. Oh my god, it's so cute. So this is a military base. Where all the military...
Oh no, just for the family. Oh yeah. This is not the for public.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The bribe them. He's to bribe them.
What is it doing?
He's to bribe them to get in. It's not for the public.
Oh, so he has to pay them. So apparently where we're going, or the trail that we're going on, how we're getting there is not, no public access. So our guide literally is paying off the military men so that we can go and access this trail. Interesting. I'm gonna put the camera away now.
Don't feel fucking to me. 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 Come on. Don't feel fucking to me. Don't feel fucking to me. Come on.
In raining season, the place will be flooded with water. So if you drop your phone, you can find it. Yeah. 2 years ago, in 2016, there's nothing in this place, just jungle. With all of this. The tree is big and a lot of monkeys hanging around. In 2016, they already found it, but they just started to surface. They started to dig the fortress. They found a fortress, the Dutch fortress.
Oh.
Well, you're aware that the Dutch has been
Yeah.
here since 16th centuries, right?
Yeah.
So they got here and built a fortress, big one. Really big. You might want to go down. We go this way.
We go this way?
No, you turn around.
No, I'm going.
Really?
Yeah. Hold this.
Let's go.
Ready? Farther than you.
Yeah.
Farther than you.
Yeah. You did good.
Mosquitoes are gone. We are hungry, so we're excited.
Yeah. The basic for Indonesian food is rice.
Yes.
So
Rice is good. We're hungry.
the rice is called nasi timbal. It's they cook it with banana leaves,
Okay.
things like that. And this is one of the menus
Mmm.
with vegetables, cucumber, and everything.
Oh yes, we had this one before. Yummy.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Did you still remember what it's called? What it's called?
I can't remember. To tea, right?
Don't.
Or dodo.
Gado gado is another part
okay.
of this kind of food. This one called karedok.
Karadok.
Karedok, yeah.
Let's try this.
Is it good?
Is it spicy?
We love spice.
Oh. Okay, so this is another part of the
Amazing.
menu.
Tell him amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
We serve. This is vegetables and something spicy things.
I'm very hungry right now.
Yeah.
We haven't eaten today.
Yeah, this one is spicy. Sambal, what do you call it?
Sambal.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the special one.
How's the chicken, honey? What's the flavor?
This chicken is so good. It's like barbecue, kind of spicy.
A little bit tandoori. A little bit, not tandoori, teriyaki.
You want another? I will.
Oh.
You like it?
What is
Yeah.
it? Okay, so you go like this. And you do it with the rice. When we showed up to this place where we eat local food made by the locals, there's this massive group. This is a big kind of tech group. They're here on like a team building work event. Most of them live around Jakarta, so they came to Bandung for a few days to do a work thing together. They do like software programming stuff. One of the companies they work for is Alibaba, which is massive. It's okay. Windy. Yeah. Andy.
Windy and Andy mix the audience, okay? If say MMD, so you say Brigitte.
Brigadio. Brigadio.
After having a fantastic, authentic meal, we head back on the trail and we go deeper into the jungle just to get out. Thanks so much to our awesome guides from Bandung Off-Road. Man, without you guys, this trip would have not been the same.
Back on the road, holy cow, that was the most legendary, epic experience ever. Bandung off-roading, man, it is a must if you are in the area. Woo!
Bandung, you were amazing. Absolutely amazing. With the nicest people, fantastic food, and a great atmosphere. Bandung was one awesome place.
Goreng here. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
At the end of the day, nothing like some nasi goreng.
Today is our last day checking out Bandung and all the areas around it. Right now we're up in the mountains, sort of in the Lambang area, and we're about to go check out a waterfall. It's called Rainbow Waterfalls in English. In Indonesian, it's called that. Still got a ways to go.
Over 15 hectares of land, Dusun Bambu is at the base of Mount Burangrang. With the clash of nature and traditional Sudanese culture, Dusun Bambu is a must if you're in Bandung.
First place we are going to go check out at the top of this place is called Makani di Danu. That was very bad pronunciation, but it is authentic Sudanese food. We are going to check this place out. It looks legendary.
Food looks so delicious. The setting is even more amazing. We have some satay with peanut sauce, an egg omelet over here.
Tofu, spicy tofu.
Some spicy tofu.
It's like crispy and so spicy and so good. Oh, look, it's fantastic. Oh,
Wrapped in some bamboo leaves.
oh. I forgot to open it. Ready? Oh my, oh. Amazing.
We are gonna eat.
Hello! These were our amazing chefs that made that fantastic meal you guys saw right there. It was so good. These are the guys that made it. Oh man. Woo!
Visit, we're witness.
There you go. Woo!
we now head back to our place to get a good night's sleep. Cause tomorrow we head to Jogja. We are currently on our way to Jakarta. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm not saying it right. Close. Jogja. And we are on an 8-hour train ride right now. After that, we will arrive and we will be at our next destination of adventure.